Promoting healthy habits and self-care within the family is essential for overall well-being and a harmonious household. Here are some tips to help you achieve this. Lead by example. Children and family members are more likely to adopt healthy habits if they see you practicing them consistently. Be a role model by prioritizing your own self-care and healthy habits. Open communication. Talk to your family about the importance of self-care and healthy habits. Discuss how these practices contribute to overall happiness, energy, and well-being. Establish routine. Create a daily or weekly routine that includes time for exercise, healthy meals, relaxation, and family activities. Consistency helps embed healthy habits into your family's lifestyle. Family meals. Plan and prepare nutritious meals together as a family. Involve children in the kitchen to teach them about healthy food choices and cooking skills. Physical activity. Engage in physical activities as a family. Go for walks, bike rides, or play sports together. Make exercise enjoyable and a regular part of your routine. Screen time management. Set limits on screen time for both adults and children. Encourage alternative activities like reading, arts and crafts, or outdoor play. Mindfulness and relaxation. Practice mindfulness techniques and relaxation exercises together, such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. These activities can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Adequate sleep. Prioritize sufficient sleep for every family member. Establish consistent bedtimes and create a calming bedtime routine to ensure quality sleep. Hygiene and self-care practices. Teach proper hygiene routines, including regular hand washing, dental care, and personal grooming. Encourage self-care activities like bubble baths, skincare, and relaxation time. Family bonding time. Dedicate regular time for family bonding activities. Whether it's game nights, movie nights, or simply spending quality time together, these moments foster strong connections. Goal setting. Set achievable health and self-care goals as a family. This could include drinking more water, eating more fruits and vegetables, or spending a certain amount of time exercising each week. Celebrate achievements. Celebrate milestones and achievements, no matter how small. Positive reinforcement encourages the continuation of healthy habits. Encourage hobbies. Support and encourage each family member to pursue their hobbies and interests. Hobbies provide a sense of fulfillment and relaxation. Outdoor time. Spend time outdoors regularly. Nature walks, picnics, and outdoor games can have a positive impact on mental and physical well-being. Respect individual needs. Recognize that each family member's self-care needs might differ. Encourage them to pursue activities that make them feel good and cater to their unique preferences. Remember that promoting healthy habits and self-care is an ongoing process. Be patient, flexible, and adaptive as your family works together to create a nurturing environment that supports everyone's well-being.